Welcome to Jump Math Help. This is grade 5, page 13, problems involving time. I want to make a quick note that t-tables are called t-tables because we draw a t and we're comparing one thing, in this case hours, and to another thing, liters. And so it's called a t-table because of this t in the middle that separates two columns or two things that we're comparing. Okay? And they're great for problem solving. So in this case, number one, Sarah's fish tank is leaking. Uh-oh. At 6 p.m. there are 21 liters of water in the tank. At 7 p.m. there are 18 liters. At 8 p.m. there are 15 liters. So they've built a t-table for you already. So here's the t part of the table, right? But you could do that in your notebook just with these words. They could leave that out and you should still be able to solve this problem. So you start with a t-table and you give it titles for each side of the t. So we have hours here and amount of water in the tank. And then we can start filling in what we know. Well, at 6 p.m. there's 21 liters. At 7 p.m. there's 18 liters. At 8 p.m. there's 15 liters. It says how many liters of water leak out each hour? Well, then we have to do a comparison. What's 21 to 18? We find the gap here happens to be -3. 18 to 15, we see it's -3. So we can actually continue this pattern in the chart right now, and that will help us answer our question. So 18, 15, next one would be 12 liters, and the next one would be 9 liters. So A, how many liters of water would leak out each hour? So let's answer that one. 3 liters of water. Okay, how many liters will be left in the tank at 10 p.m.? Well, we can see from our chart over there at 10 p.m. there will be 9 liters left. How many hours will it take for all the water to leak out? Well, we don't really have a solution for that at the moment. We'd have to continue this pattern going down by 3 each time. So how many more hours past this 10 p.m. is it going to take to leak out that 9 liters, assuming the leak's at the bottom of the tank? So it's going to take 3 more jumps of 3, and that's going to get us down to, so from 6, this is 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 3 more hours, 11, 12, and 1. So that's 7 hours total to get to empty. So 7 hours. And that makes sense because 7 times 3 happens to be 21, right? And if it's leaking 3 an hour, then 7 hours will leak out 21 liters from this tank. Okay, let's move on. 2. Marl has $28 in his savings account at the end of March. He saves $7 each month. How much does he have in his account at the end of June? Well, you need to know your months to do this. So March, so you can put April, May, and June. And is he spending or saving? Well, he's saving, so make sure you're going up in each of those. Okay, I'll let you finish that one. Rima has $42 in her savings account at the end of October. She spends $7 each month. How much does she have at the end of January? So again, you need to know your months: October, November, December, and then the new year, January. And you have to continue the pattern for her spending. Question 4, Jane plants a 30 centimeter tall rose bush on May 1st. It grows 25 centimeters every month. What is its height on August 1st? So again, you need to know your months: May, June, July, August. And make sure you're adding 25 centimeters each month to find out what its height is on August 1st. And number 5, a white cedar tree seedling grows about 9 centimeters in a year. How tall will it be after 3 years? And so you continue the pattern for years and height of this cedar tree seedling. I hope that helps with your grade 5 jump math.